So this is a mafia system that was happening and keep going on between Total Energy and the Moshi, South-Sudanese Maturin, the French, on the territory that belong to the Kongo people. As you can hear, President Isuba, who was in power, who was saying that they did not have any way to know how many barrels of oil, of gas, or cubic meter of gas they've been taking from there.
Problème, à partir de cette grille, fini le Congo, tout est contrôlé par Elf, dans le plus grand secret. C'est ce qu'affirme l'ancien président de la République, Pascal Lissouba. Selon lui, le Congo ne savait même pas combien de pétrole était extrait de son sous-sol.
Nous ne savions rien de ce qui se passe et nous n'avons même pas la quantité du pétrole qui sortait de notre pays. Nous ne la connaissions pas.
Vous voulez dire que les autorités congolaises
ne la connaissaient pas.
Ne connaissaient pas la quantité de pétrole extraite de leur sol?
Par quel moyen?
From the oil and gas that belong to Luango, who is now part of the Congo Federation. So this is why they have put in place all of this crime, to try to maintain the authentic people, the Aboriginal people, the Congo people, under what we are calling here internal colonization. Is because they want to get there and take oil, gas, all the natural resources for free, by using the people that are biased to them, which here we're talking about the Moshi, the South Sudanese tribal, the South Sudanese relative, and all of these people that are now part of the north of the entity that we call in here Congo Brazzaville. As you can hear, one of the CEO of ELF, we just changed the name because they want to try to cover up all the crime they are being committed by trying to take oil and gas from free and leaving the people that own all of this material, all of these natural resources on the poor, extreme poor condition, so they can keep making the businesses by getting into mafia relationship, by trying to protect the crime that are being committed by, between quote, the people are in power that we are calling here South Sudanese Maturin, his family and his relative.
Au large de ces plages, des quantités de pétrole importantes auraient ainsi été acheminées sans que les officiels congolais n'en soient mis au courant, parfois même des navires entiers. Et un pétrolier de 100 000 tonnes, cela représente près de 100 millions de francs qui échappent aux caisses du pays. On appelle ça une cargaison fantôme. Interrogé sur la question, Loïc Le Floch-Prigent ne dément pas qu'il y en ait eu.
Il y a des cargaisons qui sont produites et qui n'ont jamais été officiellement. Voilà. Alors c'est des choses qui sont arrivées, bien sûr.
The CEO of Total Energy, that's what we call them, because they're trying to cover up the crime and trying to change the name. And we know that game. That game is well known by the people who have the knowledge. When the company want to try to cover up a financial crime, or try to cover up a blood crime, they trying to push themselves in bankruptcy or either changing their name, so they try to maintain a greater reputation among the investor. And we know that game. That game is well known. And we know that the French are part of this game. ELF, what they call here ELF Aquitaine, is the same as today what we call Total Energy. This is the same practice that's happening. This is the same playing ground that they are doing. This is the same methodology, the same strategy they are doing by trying to maintain the colonization of the people who own oil, gas, right there in the Congo territory. The CEO of Total Energy Loïc Lefort-Péjean is recognizing that they've been stealing a lot of oil. Right there, where all that belong to the Congo people. He's recognizing it. He's testifying it himself. Here, as you can see in this video we just played, he's saying that they've been taking this. And this is happening right now. And that's why the French, under the leadership of Macron Emmanuel, President of the French under the leadership of Hollande François, President of the French under the leadership of Nicolas Sarkozy, President of the French under the leadership of Chirac Jacques, President of France, the French under the leadership of Mitterrand, and also they keep protecting this criminal guy that we are calling here Sassou Denis Maturé, who is not a Congo, who is not living on his territory. They're protecting him because he's allowing them to take the oil and gas for free. And they're allowing him to sell a few portion of oil and gas so he can keep fueling all of the mafia system, paying political, party in Western country, paying, the representative of Congress, of Senate right there in the United States, trying to corrupt them so they can protect him in power. They can play for him on President Biden, President Obama, President Trump, President Bill Clinton, and so on. So they can play for him, President Putin and President Xi Jinping, and so on. That the game is being played. But on another part, the Congo people are being killed. Genocide is happening all the time. Money laundering is happening. The crime is keep going on. The blood is keep spraying for the Congo, the owner of the land, the owner of the natural resources. That was happening there. And this is the real reason that we are put in place our new country that we are calling the Congo Federation, the 55th country of Africa. When you see all of this testimony by themselves, white folks are saying it, what you should do if you were in the place that the Congo are now, what you should do when your natural resources, your wealth are being taken by different people, foreign people, what you should do. That's the question is. What you should do, you as an American citizen, you as a Canadian citizen, as a French citizen, as a Russian, Chinese, wherever citizen you are, foreign people are coming, taking your wealth and killing your family, your children, mother, brother, sister, are destroying your village. You can even get an opportunity to get a job. What you should do at that moment of time, what you should do if you were in our position now, what you're supposed to do. I believe that all of us own a normal life, a respect, a dignity. And that's what the Congo people are looking for. We did not go somewhere else to seek for food, seek for your money. I just want to live in our territory peacefully. We just want to control whatever belongs to us. The natural resources, oil, gas, diamond, copper, whatever mineral raw material. We want to have the control of this. We want to be in the first line of command of this. If you want to make a deal, the deal has to come through the Congo people, not taking people from somewhere else, trying to impose them as a leader. That's what the Congo are rejecting. 100%. We are rejecting this kind of thought, this kind of practice. I do believe that if you were in our position, that's the same thing you will be doing too. We did not come here in this ground, in this earth, to clap other. We are in our land. The land is so rich. You wanna play. You wanna make a good contract. You wanna deal with the people. Come deal with the autochthon people, the Aboriginal people of that land. And that's where our speech stands. This is our dignity. Our land cannot put our under colonization. And the French, they have failed on their leadership by trying to protect one of the worst criminals, which is Sassou Denis Maturin, who is from Dahomey, from Benin. And enough is enough. Our people are going under autodetermination, and they have put in place their new country, what we call here the Congo Federation. So now, if you want to make a good friend, a great deal, you have to come deal with the Congo people, not with Mochi. And we have rebuked Sassou Denis Maturin and his people in our land. They cannot control our resources anymore. It's going to be a fight of our life. This is our survival. We want to provide good education for our child. We want to provide our future. Our mother are lacking hospital. They can't even feed themselves. Food is lacking. Our young people can even get a great education. They can't even get an opportunity to have a job, even as a safety officer or security officer. No, enough is enough, we do believe. You have protected this criminal Sassou Denis Maturin for decade and decade, and this has to end now. 2023 is the end of this regime. The Congo Federation has to stand right there as the 55th country of Africa. You want it or not, this will happen because the Congo people, they have decided to go to that path, which is our new country. And this is the time, if you want to make a business, you come to deal with the Congo people and not dealing with the Sassou Denis Maturin, one of the worst criminals who's stealing, destroying the life of the people. We have rebuked the French leadership in our land. So this has to be clear. Our people have been signing a petition because they want to go through this new country that we call here the Congo Federation. I hope that you get it better now. And this has become very clear. And we are now want to pass a great message to our partner. We are getting to today is the first day of this year 2023. Let's make it real in the next coming week. You know what we want. We want to put in place our army to protect our territory. 762 kilometers square of land, bigger than Rwanda, bigger than Burundi, bigger than Gambia, bigger than Equatorial Guinea, bigger than Guinea-Bissau. And this is a huge land, a great opportunity. We have a huge open in the deep ocean, Atlantic Ocean. What kind of opportunity you can even get there? Let's make it real, happen quick, so we can keep protecting the life of the Congo people, protect each other's interests, and move forward by building this country with a great contract. Not a deal, but a great contract for so many years, and this will make us stronger by protecting our investment. We understand better the vision, what is the investment is, what is the meaning of your money, by putting in place the rule of law, which will protect each other. That's what we are thinking now. We are the product of North America. We went to big school, we work for huge corporation, and what else you need? Let's move forward. Now, we cannot waste time anymore. Let's move forward. We want to destroy all of the South Sudanese military in our area, in our territory. That's the main goal here. We have to destroy South Sudanese material, military equipment, military personnel that they are using against the Kongo people, the people who are not armed. Civilian people, they're killing all the time because they want to steal the mineral, natural resources. As you can hear here, Total Energy is doing that. With all of this evidence, how you can prove us wrong? You cannot prove us wrong. In front of a court that belongs to the people, of a court that belongs to God, we are in the right spot and we are right. The suffering our people keep going for decades. We have to end it now. Let's destroy South Sudanese material military with a down force that we are asking for. We need, you know, the type of guns, of heavy-duty military equipment we are seeking for. Let's move forward. And your investment is not for free. We understand. No one can come to help you if you don't put anything on the table. You know that. We have put so many things on the table. Let's move forward now. The Congo are crying. Every day we keep getting phone calls, statements from mothers, from sisters. They are crying. When you gonna come? When will we getting this help? We are tired. The suffering is too much. Please be to the place of the Kongo people. Those women are being raped all the time. Those women are crying all the time. All of these kids, they cannot get anything to put on their tongue. Let's move forward. Please, let's make it happen real quick. In the next coming week, 2023 is the year of accomplishment. Let's make it happen. And we do believe that you will get our message and we will be moving forward now. No more political talk. Too much political talk. Let's be real, practical. Let's make it happen now. I hope that you have got my message. I'm going to switch now in French and also in our tongue so our people can get this message. Thank you very much for your understanding. Please understand the Congo people. Let's build this country together. This is a new country. Your investment will be secure for so many years. Your return on investment, you will get it. You have to trust us. May God bless you. Bless the Congo people.